So today my topic for today is network security. It is very difficult to describe in 30 minutes the concept of network security is as it is the very vast concept. I will give some information about network security and importance of network security tools and techniques. At WGS, we believe that implementing technology is the classroom help develop the skill that will be crucial to societal progress in the future. Through technology, use at WGS, the student will be future ready to work in teams. Our students are resilient and have a healthy curiosity developed through global communication with peers, and all this prepare each of them for the world of tomorrow by equipping them with 21st century skills. Student agency and use of technology play a key role in creating a positive technosystem that is embraces a strong value of digital citizenship. It creates a safe learning environment, giving chance to constructive and visual reflection on the learning, imagination, curiosity, and the synthesis of knowledge gained from all the quarters of the schools. Opportunity are created for self-directed learning as well as improving skills and understanding through technology. We have growing community of leadership. We have growing of leadership across both campus in our vision and mission ensures that the move forwarded with strong synergy, collaborative leadership, and shared best practice. So we will start. First, we will see what is security. Security is information technology, is the defense of digital information and IT assets against internal and external malicious and accidental threats. This defense include detection, prevention, and response to threat through the use of security policies, software tools, and IT services. Security is critical of the enterprises and organizations of all size and all industries. Weak security can result in compromise your system or data, either by a malicious threat or unintentional internal threat not meeting securely. Standard that they are regulated by the separate organization or law compliances can be also result in financial penalties. Based on strict identity verification process, the framework dictates that only authenticated and authorized users can and devices can access applications and data at the same time. It protects those application and user from advanced threat. Wait a minute, please. Huh? Yeah, sorry. Based on a strict identity verification process, the framework dictated that only authenticated and authorized user and devices can access application and data at the same time. It protects those application and user from advanced threat on the internet. Your data is your lifeblood of in any organization of institute. It supports your growth, career, vital resources, and help your organization stay healthy. And if data is blood, then your network is the beating heart that pump it through your system. But modern cyber threats are like vampire, doing everything possible to get at the blood that keep your business going. In order of defend against these vampiric threats and save your business from potentially miles of dollars in data loss, you need more than just a stick and some cloves of garlic. You need effective, robust network security and network visibility. In this session, we'll address the following few network security tools. Network security tools and techniques. Just a wait second, please. Huh? Sorry, guys. So network security tools and techniques. We'll discuss about networks. In this session, we'll discuss network security. What is network security? Benefit of network security tools and techniques. So we are discussing network security tools and techniques. Your network faces threats of all shapes and sizes. In those should be prepared to defend identity and respond to full range of attack. Here are different cybersecurity tools and techniques designed to help our school. Firewall. We have firewall. We'll discuss firewall, antivirus, endpoint security, wireless network, virtual private network, and web security. So first is firewall. Firewall function much like a gates that can be used to ensure the border between your network and the internet. Firewall are used to manage network traffic, allowing authorized traffic through while blocking access to non-authorized traffic. A firewall is a network security device that monitor incoming and outgoing network traffic and decides whether to allow or block specific traffic based on the defined set of security rules. Firewall have been the first line of defense in your network security from last 25 years. Second is endpoint security or antivirus, we can call. The education world is becoming increasing, bring your own device to the point where the destination between personal and business computer devices is almost non-existent. Unfortunately, sometimes the personal devices become target when user rely on them to access business network. Endpoint security add a layer of defense between remote devices and business network. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is designed for find known viruses and oftentimes other malware such as ransomware, Trojan horses, worm, spyware, adware, etc. that can have a determined impact to the user or device. Antivirus program provide a way to protect against no threat. The effectiveness of an antivirus program is heavily dependent on how often it is updated. Therefore, it is important to have the antivirus program scheduled to update daily. Most antivirus programs rely on the library or database of knowing viruses that they use to compare with program on a user's device. If a match is found, the malicious program will either be deleted or placed into quarantine area from which user can decide to restore or delete the program manually. 1 second. Sorry. Antivirus program provide a way to protect against no threats. The effectiveness of the antivirus program is heavily dependent on the how often it is updated. Therefore, the importance to have an antivirus program schedule to update daily. Most antivirus programs rely on the library or database of known viruses that they use to compare with program on a user's device. If a match is found, the malicious program will either be deleted or placed in quarantine area from which a user can decide to restore it or delete the program manually. One limitations of the traditional antivirus program is the way only the provide protect against known threat. Therefore, if someone cook up new malicious code, an antivirus program may fail to detect it when scan is done. User should not be considered an antivirus program to be universal protection against all viruses and malware. Instead, users should consider the antivirus program to be one part of the comprehensive online security hygiene regimen. Security expert refer to this aspect of information security as endpoint protection. Second, next is wireless network. Wireless network have mainly advantage of educators. We actually had a trouble limiting this list of six, but we set ourselves that limits to keep this post short and sweet. Here are six reasons why wireless makes sense in education. Instead of access of knowledging, the school library still serve an essential function, but nothing beats having instant access of approved sources of knowledge at your fingertips. What better? Why to feed a hunger for knowledge? Sorry, knowledge. Then by the providing them the mean to access as much reliable knowledge knowledge as possible instantly and from within the classrooms. Familiarity. Students of all ages have phones, laptop, tablet, Wi-Fi, and portable mode based at home. Providing access the same technology at school help with familiarity and access acceptance at school seems relevant. Keeps it up with society and equip student with the opportunity to use this technology to its fullest. Collaboration is the essential component of learning. Students can share documents, files, and ideas freely and safely over a school wireless network. Teacher can allocate homework, pupils learn the value of cooperation, and much of the work involved in managing a class can be performed digitally. Interactive education. We know that the more interactive we can make a class, the more engaged student will be. Network classrooms not only help collaboration, but also engagement, online quizzes and competitions inter-class productivity, video interview with other schools. Schools, other countries, or other inspired people are just some of the way network classroom can help students excel. It is safe and secure. Wireless can be secured to the exact same degree as wired network. You can filter access, monitor traffic, secure it from the outside world, and do all the things necessary to keep students safe and focused. Wi-Fi used to be regarded as a insecure, but working with expect all ensure your network. It keeps safe and secure. It is flexible. The piece of change in the school isn't showing any sign of slowing down anytime soon. Wiry classroom for Ethernet may make sense now, but what about in the year into? Will the classroom even be a classroom in a even evolving building? Violet doesn't mind what the space is used for. All will continue to perform its role regardless of the changes going on around it. Wireless network is secure, cost effective way of enabling students to be achieve. Sorry. Wireless network is a secure, cost effective way of enabling students of achieving more. If you would like to take advantage of this technology or would like to learn more, you can contact with me. I will guide you. So next is VPN, virtual private network. VPN is a connection, stabilize a secure connection between VPN establish secure connection between you and the internet via the VPN. All your data traffic is routed through an encrypted virtual tunnel. This decides your IP address when you use the internet, making it location invisible to everyone. A VPN connection is also secure against external attack. A virtual private network or VPN is an encrypted connection over the internet from the device. Over the internet and the device. The virtual private network VPN is an encrypted connection over the internet from the device or a network. The encrypted connection help ensure that sensitive data is safely transmitted. It prevents unauthorized people from eavesdropping on the traffic and allow that the user to conduct work remotely. Right. Second is web security. This is the last point, web security. Web security is also known as cyber security. It is basically means protecting a website or web application by detecting, preventing, and responding to cyber threat. Website and web application are just as a prone to security breaches as physically home, store, and governmental location. Unfortunately, cybercrime happen every day. And great web security measures are needed to protect websites and web application from becoming compromised. That exactly what web security does. It is system of protection measures and protocols that can protect your website or web application from being hacked or entered by unauthorized personnel. This integration division of information security is a vital to the protection of website, web application, and web services. Anything that is applied over the internet should have some from web security to protect it. Our technology vision of explore, engaging, empower line with our schools vision, giving our students the freedom to think and empower to be. Thank you so much. So if you have any question, you can ask me. We have still 10 minutes. You can ask me anything about network security if you have any question. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining this session. Thank you so much. Have a great day.